this is Karishma Bajaj. Welcome to Celeb Looks 101. Today I'm going to be recreating Kiara Advani's look from her film promotions of Shesha. Stay tuned.
Let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go.
So this is my final version of Kiara Advani's look. I hope you guys like it. Hi, this is Karishma Bajaj. Welcome to Celeb Looks 101. Today I'm going to recreate my version of Jahnvi Kapoor's look from a recent shoot done for Manish Malhotra. Okay, so that's my version of Jahnvi's look for the Manish Malhotra shoot that she recently did. And I hope you guys like it.
fashion tips. Subscribe to channel and press the bell icon. Watch Myntra Studio for exclusive tips and trends with your favorite influencers. Celeb Looks Originals. Experience the new way of shopping. Myntra Studio, exclusively on the Myntra app.